Hello, respected viewers. How are you? I hope you are all good. Welcome back to Art of Decor. We share awesome ideas to decorate your life easier. In this video, I can show you some different modern indoor playland ideas to decorate your room with best living standard styles. Indoor playland ideas offer numerous inspiring benefits for both children and parents alike. Active play. Indoor playlands encourages children to engage in physical activities, promoting their overall health and fitness. Imagination play. These spaces foster creativity and imagination as kids explore various themed play areas. Social interactions. Indoor playlands offers opportunities for children to interact with others, helping them develop social skills and build friendships. Cognitive development. Playland activities stimulate problem solving, critical thinking, and decision making skills in children. Sensory stimulations. Playlands incorporate sensory rich environments, enhancing sensory development in your children's. Safe environment. Indoor playlands are designed with safety in mind, giving parents space of mind while their children have fun. Weather independent fun. Regardless of the weather outside, kids can enjoy playtime indoor, making it ideal for all senses. Family bonding. Parents can join their kids in play, fostering strong family bond and creating lasting memories. Educational fun. Many playlands incorporate educational elements, making learning a fun and interactive experiences for children. Stress relief. Indoor playlands offer a stress-free and enjoyable environment, allowing kids to unwind and have fun. Motor skill developments. Children can develop their fine and gross motor skills through various play activities. Safe exploration. Playlands provide opportunities for kids to explore and learn in a secure settings. Physical coordinations. Activities in indoor playlands enhance kids' physical coordination and balance. Language development. Interaction with the other children and other adults in playland setting aid and language development. Unstructured play. Playlands allows kids to engage in unstructured play, promoting independent thinking and creativity. Playdate destinations. Indoor playlands are perfect destination for playdates, encourages social play and collaborations. Convenient entertainment. Indoor playlands offer a convenient options for entertainment and playtime, especially during busy days. Parental engagement. Parents can actively participate in their children's plays, strengthening parents-children relationships. Social event. Many playland host birthday parties and special events, providing memorable experience for kids. Sense of accomplishment. Children gain a sense of accomplishment as they conquer abstracts and challenge in their playland. The stress-free and safe environment of indoor playlands allows children to unwind and let loose, promoting emotional well-being. Unstructured play in playlands encourages independent thinking and problem solving, fostering children's creativity and confidence. Please join the creative journey with me and let's explore the world of art and design together. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.